Nah, dapat
I
bro.
feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't need shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
Ini di belakang bosku.
I feel like I'm losing
Tambak
my mind.
sudah minta isi tadi bosku sama ayam punya.
In the world blind.
Oke bosku, gimana keseruannya? Bikin dulu bosku.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah, there's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the
Masih
world blind?
digigit-gigit,
Please, Lord, give me a
belum ditelan.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
Kita coba tarik. Nah, dapat bro, dapat. Lumayan bro, kita dapat. Saya sini lanjut.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
Ada yang makan lagi bro.
And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
Nah, dapat bro. Nah. Mantap bro, double strike. Double strike. Tuh. Ini ya. Mantap bro, double strike.
I'm so gone, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so what? You're gonna be hurting bad, cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad, I stay strong. You will never see me crack, and if you get in my way, you got my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm
Kita lempar lagi. Pinggir, di pinggir. Ada di pinggir deh. Ada yang makan lagi. Tunggu, ada yang makan. Slow.
Cause we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Yeah, we ran out of patience. Boil up with the cold hard hatred. I can feel the vibration. Feet in the streets, it's a new sensation. I wanna break faces on the pavement. I wanna make greatness look complacent. Adrenaline awakened, I can taste it. We can make an impact, grab and then take it.
Kemudian bro, besar, dia ditarik. Ayo. Apa bro? Lepas sama bro. Udah aja lepas. Itu sayang lepas. Aduh. Tak pasang.
Taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the new song. Not saving, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough as I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many never got hard, I'm ready to change scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, cause I'm great at that.
Sini bro, pindah. Sini, pinggiran.
I don't need saving, it's everything I've been chasing. All here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough giving. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
We're not as tough.
Kita pakai.
Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough
Tarik
giving.
ada mata,
I'm sick
tarik.
of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me.
Mantap.
Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough giving. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me.
Mantap. Kita lempar lagi bosku. Mantap bro, mantap. Lumayan bro.
Apakah makan atau tidak? Sudah.
Kita lempar jauh lagi bosku. Lebih enak dirasa lempar jauh bosku.
Wih, langsung disambut. Ini kecilnya cuma sedikit bro, tapi ini namanya ikan lapar ya.
Lumayan bosku.
Oke sobat fishing, kita sudah mancing lumayan, dapatnya lumayan. Dan ini sudah kita membuang dapat ikat lumayan bro. Oke, terima kasih sudah menyaksikan, dan jangan lupa like, share, dan subscribe.
Kita nggak tahu itu tolek ke sana.
Karena di traktor. Belum perlu coba kerja sama meten lo mah.
Oke bro, strike. Kayaknya bukan yang ini nyangkut bro. Wah, ini fenomena ini bro. Oke bosku, lihat ini sudah dulu bosku. Sudah selesai bosku. Kita mau pulang dulu bosku. Hasil hari ini lumayan lah bosku untuk di rumah lauknya. Oke bosku, cuman ya mantap.